Okay, so welcome. A friend of mine wanted to set up a WordPress blog using his WebMotel account, his WebMotel website. So I decided I'd record it and hopefully help people who have the same question. This is not only good for WordPress or for a blog, but any software that runs on a MySQL database, and there are a lot of them, and they're usually pretty easy to install, and they follow similar steps. So the first thing you want to do, if you go to the webmotel.com, customer login, first thing we need to do is create the database. So I went ahead and set up a user just for this. So you log in and to the customer login, and you should see your website over here on the left. If you click on that website, on the far right there's an options tab. You'll want to click on that, and it says databases, and right now there aren't any, so we want to click new and create one. Now you'll want to remember what these are. It will automatically assign you a database name, a user, and then you enter a password and click save. So now if you go back to that tab, you can see we do have one database set up. You can actually log out after that. And so the next thing we want to do, we want to go to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Now what this will give us, it'll give us these files. It'll come with a WordPress folder and a bunch of files here. Now we want the important file here that we need to change the settings in is wp-config-sample. Get rid of sample and rename it wp-config. And then we want to open that, and this is the file that we have. Now if you scroll down a little bit, it says put your database, your DB name here. And our database name was web67db1, and our username was web67u1, and our password I set up to be demo. So then we want to save that file, and then what we want to do is upload all of these to our website. So I have this set up here, and I'm actually going to rename this file blog, and I'll show you why. When you first log into your website's FTP site, you have the web folder. This is where all of the publicly accessible files are located. So this is where your website is located, in the web folder. Now, if you want your blog to be, in this case, 0110.com, then you'll put all of these files right into the web folder. Now, I want it to be 0110.com/blog. So I'm going to put that entire folder in the web folder. Okay, so once we have all of these files uploaded, we want to go back to our browser, and we're going to go to the folder where that is located online. So in this case, it's 0110.com/blog. And it asks you for the blog title, which will say 0110, and the email, which will give you clerk@thewebmotel.com. Allow my blog to appear in search engines like Google and Technorati, sure. Install WordPress. And that's it. Gives you a username and password, and you want to log in using those. Let's see. And the first thing it does, it tells you to rename your password, so it's not that bunch of gibberish that it assigned you. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Something that we can remember. Update our profile. Log out. Now if we go to 0110.com/blog, our blog is up and ready to go. So Like I said, this can be used for lots of different software. Anything that uses a database, that's how you do it. So, and WordPress is a lot of fun. It's very powerful. So enjoy. Thanks.